Always disconnect the negative battery terminal on your Toyota Tundra prior to any electrical or 12-volt DC circuit work. Remove the door sill panel by slipping your fingers underneath and pulling upward. Next, reach underneath the dash and remove the thumb screw that releases the kick panel, then gently pull the kick panel outward. Place the subwoofer control knob and power wires under the white clips towards the rear of your Tundra. Next, tuck the wires under the B-pillar panel with your fingertips. Place the wires under the clips of the rear door sill, then tuck the wires under the rear C-pillar panel. Place the subwoofer wire under the carpet as shown, then run under the carpet to the jack seat belt location as shown. The power wire will run under the rear window. Be certain that the subwoofer box is not placed on top of the wire. Also be sure that you place the wires in a location that will not be damaged when you reinstall your seats. Please note, in the previous video, we showed you how to get the power wire into the truck. In this particular case, the fuse is already attached to your power wire. You will insert the wire from the other side of the truck.